Hey guys, we received this Tomtoc portable storage pouch back case for test and try. So let's see this. This is a gray color, small size based on your website, and then also have a really great. So my first impression is a nice color and the manufacturing here looks really good, and also have this zipper and this strap here. So this have this handle strap and also a nice zipper with a good space inside. So this can store all your adapters, pen or your daily essentials or the cables, and then you can easily put it in your travel bag to be more organized and take it anywhere. So just for say you just want to put all the things for the charging, so you don't have to remember or stuff. You just make this pouch and you can just take it anywhere you want. So this have a inner mesh zipper pocket as well, and also you can put in your mobile or like Airpods and all small electronic stuff, and then just take it anywhere you want. So I'm just throwing in some random stuff in here so that I can show you the size and this capacity, and then once done you can just lock it down. So this seems more organized with all these adapters and cables. Just put one thing in your bag and you are done for your electronics needs. So basically a very nice colored or basic color one, and then have this pouch, easy to carry, premium quality, as I don't see any issue with the stitching or the clothes or anything here. So yeah, my overall impression is good, very nice pouch.